What up, guys? We're back and we are going to work on some grip designs. I showed you in some of the others some spray stenciling, and now we are moving on to grip design. Real quick, I just want to show you the most amazing one my boss had done recently. Took this graphic, uploaded it onto, well, it was already on a computer, took the file, put it into Photoshop, then reversed the file so that it's backwards, and then printed it, and then from there took that and traced it onto the back side of a sheet of grip, and then the finished product is this right here. This kind of grip job, a bit painstaking as far as the time on it. Another one that I'm a big fan of is take your sheet of grip, get yourself a ruler, and this company, they pretty much have a lot of the lines already on here, but what you could do is you can grid this entire sheet and then go ahead and get yourself a pair of cheap scissors. I don't recommend going out and buying anything over $2-3 for a pair of cheap scissors. Get them at the dollar stores, and go ahead and carefully cut your grip into say 1 inch by 1 inch squares. You can figure it out on the grid how big you want them. The smaller looking, the cooler the checkerboard comes out. So you're gonna have a stack of grip tape squares. You're gonna have your board, and you're going to just place them strategically on the board to make your board look like old school checkers. That's a fun grip one. Another one that I'm a big fan of is real simple, is with a marker you can just go ahead and do a bunch of waves, and when you cut on these lines, you will be able to just take these two pieces of grip and apply them right to the board edge to edge with the wood in between, and that way it'll give a look of maybe wooden waves. You can go ahead and draw sunset, you can draw a dark horse, whatever it is you're into, and what I recommend is definitely using some stencils. You can use different shapes. Another fun one I used to do when I was a little kid was fragment and just go ahead and cut like crazy all over the grip. Just all these different pieces, and then when going to grip the board, putting it back together like a puzzle, but leaving a little bit of space to show that wood.